Holy Moses. She snapped, he ran through the yard because he got hit.
Lord, oh Lord. The car.
I know. Enough. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, they're so big, Haley.
Oh, Moses, will you go away? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. Lord, please.
No more, Lord, please. Wow. We gotta, when it calms down, we gotta get one and put it in the fridge or the freezer for you know what? Oh my gosh. What time is it? Oh my gosh.
Before 15 minutes to 8.
So sorry about
God, Lord, please.
oh my. Oh my. Oh, I'm glad we have a metal roof.
Oh my God.
Oh, please. Oh.
Poor car. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh my God, Lord, please.
We don't need any more. Oh no. Maybe that's it for the hail. Wow. We're still getting small hail.